Hi Stampers, Diane David here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to share with you our new, brand new, our holiday mini catalog. I am going to walk you through a couple of other things that we have going on too with online exclusives and kits. That'll be towards the end. I actually went live on Facebook today, but my phone quit recording and then it quit the audio, so people just saw my face talking and no words. Anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'll flip my camera and we will talk about the holiday mini catalog. So I'm going to walk you through some of the stuff in here that I love, and I have samples to show, and I do have paper to show too. So the holiday mini catalog, I call it the holiday mini catalog. Stampin' Up! Just calls it the September to December mini catalog. But we all know this is the time of year that the holidays are here, and there's going to be lots of stuff in here for the holidays. So our Stand Strong Together stamp set is a cute one. It's this one here, Love and Courage, and $3 from the sale of each of these stamp sets will go towards breast cancer research, which is our Making a Difference thing. So watch, I'm probably going to do some form of a class online with this stamp set in October. And then over here on the page number 5, it has a little list of some of the things that you can send cards for. So that's kind of fun. Those are some of the reasons to give this season. All right, so we begin with the kits. And so this kit in particular came out today. There's another kit that came out today for World Card Making Day. I'll show that in a little bit. Talk about that a little bit later. Lots of new scrapbooking kits for the holidays. I love them. These are some of our quick and easy options, and so we have these Memories and More packs that you can use for card making, scrapbooking, all kinds of stuff. This mix and match kit I do have, and so I used this kit this weekend and made some cards. I used a half a pack, but I kind of wanted to show this because this is one of our more traditional Christmas colors. So these are die cuts. So in the actual pack, you get 2 sheets of each of these. I only used a half a pack this weekend when I made some cards, but look at that plaid. It's so cool. And then the backs have stuff too. And I will show you the cards that I made. Lots of tags. All right, so this weekend while I was home, I made 10 cards. So I used a pack of the greeting cards, a half a pack of the paper, and I'm waiting for the ephemera pack to come so that I can finish out these cards. But you can see, and then the other thing I did on these cards is I added Wink of Stella to like the candy canes, to some of the elements on there just to make them pop a little bit more. But this gold ephemera pack, there's shiny foil gold stickers, and they're going to be beautiful on here because it's going to pull out that gold in the card bases. I think you can see that. That has a shimmer to it. Some of these cards I copied right from Stampin' Up! And then others I just put together with the products I had. I had lots of little scraps of paper, so I got to use those up. But like I said, that Wink of Stella really makes them pop. So if you purchased this paper, 2 packs of these and that, you would have plenty of cards to make 20 Christmas cards. And I will post these on my website as soon as I take pictures of them. I gotta wait. I'm waiting for the ephemera so I can finish them, and then I'll take pictures and post them. And you can just go ahead and copy exactly what I did. I'm good with copying. So that's that. And then, so I did tags with some of that paper too. And again, I added Wink of Stella to it, and I'm just waiting for that ephemera pack to finish those up. So that's that. I do love these sketches that they've put in here to help you with your creativity. So you can just pick a sketch, use the paper, stamps, whatever you have, and make those same projects. This was one of my favorite stamps of all time. I love this stamp. And I can't wait to play with that one. I do have this seasonal tag stamp. I haven't even pulled it out yet. I was having a hard time pulling out stuff for Christmas because our summers are so short here that I just was having a hard time. I did do some fall cards. This little box, watch my videos because I will have a video on how to make that box soon. This is our traditional Christmas set with the, I'm going to turn these lights on, see if that's better. with the traditional Christmas colors, and this is a specialty paper, so it does have gold foil going through it also. A couple of great stamp set. These traditional labels are awesome. I love this embossing folder. It's a big one. Lots of pictures of ideas. Here's the North Pole Delivery Suite, which is a cute stamp set, animal themed. Lots of fun stuff. All right, so this Peaceful Garden, I do have that. And I did make some projects with it. So it's got this beautiful ribbon. Look at that beautiful ribbon with the gold or the silver shining through that. It's beautiful. These stars in those colors are beautiful, and they're kind of like, they're real light and they're real flat, but they're going to make a great addition to that. Here's the stamp set, which you can see can be used for Christmas, but it can also be used for thinking of you, sympathy cards, just lots of different things. I love this embossing folder. I hope you can see that. Oh yeah. So this embossing folder embosses, and then it has this label inside here, and that is one of the labels that's in the die set. So there's 2 labels in the dies. One of them fits perfectly inside that embossing folder. It's very cool. Let's set that aside. Got some cards here. This is the paper. So I actually have used some, as you can see, but I'm just going to quickly show you the different papers, and they're all done in blues, and they're just really pretty. Really beautiful papers. Look at that one. Love that one. And I love this one. And I even love the ones in the beige color. They're very pretty. So let me show you the cards I made quickly. This is one that just uses a pattern. So you could use this one for any card that you're making, any of the Designer Series paper strips that you have as extras. Add a few strips of Designer Series paper and an embellishment, and you're good. This one here has a little, here it is. This little tag actually fits inside there. And you could actually put a gift card in there too. But that's just really pretty with that glimmer paper. And then it uses some of the embossed paper from that folder. Here's one that I untied, but I came around and tied a bow. But you can see that embossing here, and then how that label fits right inside there. And this is just a kind of a fun fold using that 12 by 12 paper. And then an envelope that coordinates with it. So I will post up these projects with PDFs. And then there's a box that you can make. I think it's really pretty with some of that glimmer paper. It's really a super simple box to make. And I will do a video for that. And then we have the glimmer paper. And so the glimmer paper has different colors of blues. Look at this one. So pretty. All right. So here's a picture of that embossing on this page. If you haven't gotten your catalog yet and you do not have a demonstrator, go ahead and get a hold of me and I will get one mailed out to you. I'm waiting on a new batch of catalogs to come in. I did send out catalogs to everybody who was a customer of mine over the past 6 or 7, 8 months. So hopefully you got that. And Lights of Aurora. This is kind of a fun, different stamp set for Stampin' Up. I just love it. This paper with those darker dyes are beautiful. All right, so now we're coming into the Autumn Toil, and I love this stamp set and the paper and all the good stuff. I have cards that I made with this and the paper, but I did do a little project with these little, I love this one using one piece of designer paper in 6 different ways to show you, and I am trying to figure out how they were able to match up these frames and get them perfect. I'd love to make some of them. I think they're really pretty, but I haven't sat down yet long enough to figure out how they did the paper to, like, it, you know, it comes around the corner of the frame and across and back around the corner. How they match that up. That had to be a feat. Keeping Traditions is a scrapbook page that goes with our traditional Christmas stuff. Here is Peaceful Days, which again is that same paper that I showed you earlier, only as a scrapbook. So it has die cuts, Designer Series paper, and then our 2-tone cardstock and an extra stamp set. This one, I loved Fluffy Squirrel. When I first saw Fluffy Squirrel, I knew I had to have it. And I played with it a little bit the other night. I made some treats for a retreat that I'm doing. I'm going to use it again on some name tags and some other things that I'm doing for that retreat. Branching out, I have it, haven't used it, but look at these dies. I love every single one of them, and I can't wait to play with them together. That's going to be fun. Words for the season with lots of word dies. I love this one. Snowy Delights bundle is one that I got because I love my masks. I love a stamp set that coordinates with the masks for coloring. The stamp set's cute. The dies are cute. I love these big snowflakes. They're really big, and I can't wait to play with that one and make some fun stuff for winter. We have our little gingerbread man bundle. It's cute. And then I did get this gift of joy because I liked how that was how those were drawn. So that'll be fun to play with. Stay warm. This happened to be one of my daughter-in-law's favorite stamp sets. It's one of those that you reverse the stamp to color it in to make so that it all coordinates. It's cute. We have a new pattern die set, and then this big Christmas word collage. It's a hybrid embossing, so it has a die that coordinates so that you can put it in there and cut them all out at the same time. And then we have Joyful Tidings and Magic and Hope. And Happy Place, which is Sharon Armstrong's $1 Million Stamp Set. I saw some cute things done with that. Like stamp it with black and then color it in with blends. Just lines of your blends. It's really pretty. And then this petal arrangement, which I don't know what kind of flower that is, but I'm assuming that's a flower from another part of the world. It could be for our Australian demonstrators, or what do we got? South Pacific, Europe. I'm not sure what kind of flower that is. And that is the end of that catalog. So now if we come into my screen share, let me get it up here. I have to pull everything up. There we go. All right, so this is the screen share option, and so I wanted to show you a couple of things. Of course, we have our Stand Together stamp set. We have a World Cardmaking Day, which is coming up October 4th. It's an event that Stampin' Up! Is putting on, but you do need to register. I would recommend everybody register because they're going to give some kind of a freebie at the end of the event. If you can't make it on October 4th at 2 Mountain Time, it will be recorded, and you will be able to see it from, it'll be recorded and they'll send you a link so you can watch it afterwards, but you'll still get that freebie. It's kind of important. All right, so online exclusives. If you go to your Stampin' Up! Front page, click on online exclusives, they come up exactly what we have to offer in the online exclusives, and they're all available starting today. I love this Elegant Pine Snowflakes paper. It's just beautiful. It's gorgeous with the shaded spruce ribbon. And then the stamp set down here, and click on that and you can see it's really cute. It has, the one thing it does have is it has a million little pieces for the dies. But I think that, I can't wait to play with it. I have not yet, but to sit down and put all those together and see what we come up with will be a blast. Isn't that beautiful with those purples? So yeah, your snowflakes can be all different colors. So check out the online exclusives because there's a lot of fun stuff in here. There's some scrapbooking kits. There's this foil modern Christmas suite collection with the gold and black and white paper and the rings. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's just go quickly. Anyway, just so you know, come to here and you will start seeing all the new online exclusive stuff. There's lots of it. And then as far as the kits go, you can come here and click on kits. You'll be able to see the new kits. So I'm going to show them quickly because I love this one. This is one of my favorites, and I do plan to use this kit for my Christmas cards for work, for the auto parts store. It's really cute. It's really nice. It's a really nice kit. And then this other kit that they have, this one here, is called Handmade and Heartfelt, and this is the kit that they're going to use during the World Cardmaking Day event. So they're going to put the kit together with people. So my recommendation is get the kit and do it together with friends or whoever you gather together with. I'm having a retreat that day here in Red Lodge, and I do plan to show this to my retreat attendees. I'm going to encourage them to sign up for World Card Making Day themselves so that they get the freebie from Stampin' Up. And then hopefully they'll buy a kit and they'll make the kit with the little accessory, desk accessory that comes with it with me at that event. I might even have a few there to sell in case anybody didn't get one that wants to have a kit. So those are some of our new kits, and then some of our, so anyway, those are some of our kits. The online exclusives are all there. There's so many of them. There's so much stuff coming out, and then the whole catalog. So if you haven't already done so, sign up for my newsletter so that you can keep informed about what I'm doing and what's going on, classes and clubs and all kinds of stuff going on, retreats. And if you don't have a catalog and you want one, send me an email. And as I said, there's a PDF of the online exclusives and a link to the PDF catalog on my website, www.ddistamps.com. I'll post it in the comment or down in the description so that you're aware. Anyway, thank you, and I hope you have a great day.